As the first light of dawn spills across the sand, the desert slowly wakes. In the distance, a large industrial structure rises against the horizon, silent, powerful and purposeful. This camel processing factory stands where ancient trade routes once thrived, connecting the past to the modern global economy. Trucks arrive steadily, workers clock in, and supervisors review procedures. Every movement is planned, regulated, and recorded. Camels have long been symbols of endurance and survival in harsh climates. Today, that legacy continues in a new form. This facility operates under strict regulations, balancing tradition with modern industry. The demand driving this place is not ordinary. It comes from luxury brands seeking rare, durable and naturally textured camel leather. As the gates close behind the workers, the transformation journey quietly begins. Inside the facility, the atmosphere shifts from desert silence to controlled efficiency. Trained workers handle each task with precision and experience. The hides are carefully removed and preserved, using professional methods to maintain quality. Inspectors examine each piece closely, checking thickness, elasticity, and natural grain. Camel hide is unlike cow or goat leather. It has a unique fiber structure that offers exceptional strength while remaining soft. Because of this, mistakes at this stage are costly. Workers understand that what they are handling is not just material, but potential luxury. Nothing goes to waste. Every usable part is sorted for its best possible purpose. This stage decides the future value of the leather and demands patience, respect, and skill. The hides now enter the most critical phase, the tanning department. Large rotating drums dominate the room, echoing softly as they turn. Inside, the hides are treated with carefully measured natural agents, oils and stabilizing solutions. This process takes days, sometimes weeks. Technicians constantly monitor the environment. Temperature, humidity, and timing must be exact. Too much exposure can damage the fibers. Too little can weaken the leather. Slowly, the hides begin to change. Stiffness fades, flexibility grows, and the surface develops a rich natural tone. This stage is often called alchemy, because raw material is transformed into something refined and valuable. By the end, the leather is strong, smooth, and ready for its final journey. In the final section of the factory, the atmosphere feels almost artistic. Sheets of finished leather are stretched, trimmed, polished, and carefully inspected under bright white lights. Skilled hands feel every surface, identifying minor imperfections invisible to the untrained eye. Only the finest pieces are approved for luxury use. Soon these leathers will be packed and shipped across borders to elite workshops and fashion houses. Designers will cut them into jackets, handbags, belts, and shoes, items that sell for thousands.
At the edge of a vast desert town, where caravans once ruled the trade routes, a modern camel processing facility stands tall. As dawn breaks, the factory gates open, blending ancient tradition with industrial precision. Camels long valued for transport, milk, and survival are now part of a regulated supply chain. Workers move calmly and professionally, following strict procedures. This is not chaos, but a system shaped by demand for one of the world's rarest luxury materials, camel leather. Prized for its softness, durability, and natural grain, inside the facility, skilled teams begin the transformation process with discipline and care. Every step follows legal and ethical standards, ensuring nothing is wasted. The hides are carefully separated and preserved, as inspectors examine texture, thickness, and quality. Unlike common leather,